Hello guys, it's time for another mind-blowing gadgets, and this time, we have packaged a list of cool car gadgets that will interest you. Make sure you watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Welcome back to Techie Spot. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's get started. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Autool Car HUD Diagnostic Scanner. Looking for a smart scanner for your car? Then this gadget here will surely be of help to you. This car diagnostic scanner is a must-have in your car. This gadget can read and clear all sorts of engine faults, codes, and also display the meaning of these errors on your smartphone. This gadget can read and display over 3,000 generic codes, and can also gather real-time data from your car. With this gadget, you'll be able to scan your car and know the faults to clear. It's a perfect tool to keep in your glove box. Awaken. Here comes a smart gadget that will help improve your car safety. This gadget can constantly run a diagnosis of your car, track your car's movements, and automatically alerts emergency services in case of an accident. Just plug this gadget to the OBD2 port, located under the steering dashboard, open the app on your smartphone, and receive all sorts of useful information about your car, both location services and car theft prevention. In case someone tries to steal or break into your car, you'll immediately receive a push notification that someone is tampering with your car, and when it starts moving, you'll also receive another notification, and as well, you can be able to track it in real time. It has a built-in accelerometer, which enables it to quickly and precisely detect any impacts or collisions. In case of an accident, this gadget will instantly send a notification with the exact location of the crash to emergency services, to make sure that they are on the scene as quick as possible. This gadget is also helpful in monitoring any fault in your car, and also giving you a notification on how to fix it or clear the error. This is a special gadget to have in your car. EyeDrive Car Head-Up Display. Looking for an amazing smart gadget for your car? Then you need to give this gadget a try. EyeDrive is the world's smart car assistant head-up display that takes your car to the next level. This gadget can display GPS and speed information, phone calls, and music on your windshield. It's a safe way to project information from your phone apps on your windshield while driving, and without endangering yourself and others, by looking away from the road to answer your phone. It has a gesture sensor, which uses infrared technology to detect your hand movements, and launch different actions, such as swipe to accept or decline a call, manage your music, or launch backup camera for easy parking. It's compatible with all cars, and with this gadget, you can now use your favorite apps without compromising your safety. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Digital tire pressure gauge. Looking for a very compact and portable tire pressure gauge that you can carry around? Then this digital tire pressure gauge will surely be of interest to you. With this smart pressure gauge, you will maintain correct tire pressure in your car, extend tire life, and significantly reduce tire wear. This gadget has an LCD display and nozzle light which allows you to use it in dimly lit areas. Its digits are very accurate and easy to read, and they enable you to measure tire pressure more accurately. It's designed to fit into both men and women's hand without slipping. It's very portable, so you can carry it on the go, and with this gadget, you can always ensure an accurate tire pressure. Ztylus Stinger. This is a simple gadget you need to have in your car. It's a gadget you can use to charge your phone while in your car. by simply plugging it to the 12-volt system in your car. But in addition to that, this gadget can save your life in case of an emergency. Its razor-sharp blade can be used as a seatbelt cutter, and also, with the help of its stinger, you can safely shatter or break glass to escape, in case you get trapped inside your car during emergency situations. This is really a multifunctional tool you need in your car. Wireless car charging gadget. This is a smart car phone holder, but it does not just hold your phone while you're driving. It goes much beyond that. It's also a wireless charging gadget for your smartphone. It holds your phone conveniently in front of you while you're driving, and also charge your phone without the use of wires. You can mount this gadget on the vent, on the windshield, or on the dashboard of your car. Most amazing thing about this gadget is that, when you place your phone, it will automatically adjust to hold it firmly, and when you need to take your phone, it will also adjust automatically to release your phone. It's an amazing gadget you should have in your car. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Gofar engine diagnostic gadget. Of course you need the perfect technology that will assist you in saving fuel on a daily basis. This gadget is a typical example of such technology. Your car engine has a sweet spot. This is an optimum position that maximizes your drive power and minimizes your fuel consumption. Gofar is a simple gadget that you can keep on your dashboard, and it will help you improve the way you drive, and also help you to save fuel consumption. Just plug this gadget to the OBD2 port, located under the steering dashboard, pair the app to your smartphone, and you'll see all sorts of useful data from your vehicle, from fuel consumption to distance covered, to the equivalent amount for the distance covered, and also your driving history. While using this gadget, if you're running on a fuel-economic speed, its LED lights will turn blue, but if your speed is fuel-consuming, the LED lights will turn red. It's a very useful gadget to keep on your dashboard. Windshield Repair Kit. Looking for the best way to remove annoying little cracks in your windshield? Then you need to try this gadget. It helps you to prevent little cracks from spreading all over your windshield. It's easy to use, and with its advanced resin formula, it gives a good repair on all sorts of windshields. Using this kit is actually easy. Just apply it on the crack, leave it under UV light or sunlight for 20 minutes, and watch it solidify. It's important to know that it can only repair cracks smaller than 1 inch in diameter, and does not work on cracks longer than 1 inch, and it's also suitable for mobile phone screens. It's a good technique to avoid costly repair in case of cracks. Headrest hook hangers. Okay guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. Of course you need an amazing way to hang your purse, grocery bags, kid toys, baby supplies, and so on. This headrest hook hanger allows you to keep the interior of your car well organized. With this gadget, you don't need to keep items on your car seat or floor again. The hanger can safely fit into any headrest, and it's made of high-quality material. So, if you often carry passengers in your car, you need to consider this gadget. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends,